Good Wednesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt, and in what is traditionally always been maybe the busiest travel day of the year, here it is the day before Thanksgiving, and I don't know that there are going to be a lot of people doing that today, but the weather doesn't look terrible, not horrible for travel if you're going somewhere or if you're going to work, going to shopping, whatever. Good weather for it. It looks a little gray, but the fog we had last night, the really thick fog anyway, has improved. It has lifted a bit. We still have some haze and some fog in the distance, but still visibility more than a mile in Rochester. That's our quality group camera from Assisi Heights. It is a gray day. It will definitely be that all throughout our Wednesday. We're going to deal with the gloom, the clouds, the murkiness, but it's going to be a dry day. The showers we had yesterday with the snow, of course, all that has moved on. The storm system that brought us that is still to our south, is still producing new rain showers or more recent activity in parts of southern Iowa, parts of Illinois, Missouri, but not here. We're in the northern periphery of that system, dealing with just gloomy weather, but a tranquil day and a peaceful one. So if you can get past some light to moderate fog in the area and some just seasonably cool 30s, I think you'll probably have a pretty decent day here for Wednesday. And tomorrow looks a whole lot better. We get moving along into Thanksgiving time frame. Things look pretty good. Here's a look at some of the snow from yesterday. 3 to 5 inches. Preston to Winona, amazing narrow band of snow there, produced some significant amounts of snowfall. Rochester, 4 inches at the airport. Most of the city had about 2-3 inches on the south side. Northwest side of town, a couple spots had a little more than a trace. We at the studio had almost nothing. Northeast Rochester, on the hill up by Century High School, about 1.5 inches of wet snow yesterday, and so you see where the lion's share of the snow was at fairly narrow band, no wider than a county, and the rest of the area had very little in the way of snow. So there's going to be some melting going on for some of us, but that's about it today. We'll have temperatures just above freezing, just warm enough to melt some of that, but the winds are pretty light. Look for mid-30s, 10 o'clock, overall high temperature around 37. Sunset at 4:36, and here it is just about 8:45 right now on this early Wednesday morning. So we move ahead on our forecast for the rest of the day. Gray skies right now, a little more fog looking northward. Force looking down through the clouds, it looks especially murky. But visibility at ground level, as we saw earlier, a little better than this, but this definitely looks pretty murky. 33 feels like 24 visibility, maybe just a little less than a mile right now in the Med City. Temperatures on the map, 30s in most spots. 33 Rochester, 34 Mason City, and 34 in Winona. There's that system down toward Missouri. Rain in parts of southern Iowa. For us, we are rain-free, but dealing with the gloom. High pressure comes in behind us. Some sunshine tomorrow. We'll look at that on Futurecast. The storm system moving into Illinois later this afternoon. We will stick with the clouds through this afternoon. Tonight and then tomorrow, very early in the day, we see some breaks in the clouds right around 9 or 10 o'clock. Occasional sun and clouds. Afternoon looks a lot sunnier with daytime temperatures in the low 40s. A bit of a brisk west breeze as a weak front moves through, and that front high pressure brings tons of sun for Friday. It's going to be a colder morning. We wake up on Friday morning right around the upper 20s, and then we'll manage to see temperatures only around 40 in the afternoon. Saturday, a quick shot of warmth that helps us get back into the upper 40s. That'll be the warmest day of the next several. 37 today in Rochester, 37 in Mason City. Some areas of fog, some clouds, north winds, and the lights at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunset again at 4:36. So there's that fog and the clouds. Tonight, some spots of fog, gray skies, 29, partial clearing, perhaps well after midnight, with a light southwest breeze. And sunshine after maybe a couple of leftover clouds early on. We'll have plenty of sun in the afternoon. 42, winds out of the southwest becoming west around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And outdoor day Friday. Friday looks on the cool side, upper 30s, but that's normal for this time of the year. Saturday, even warmer and sunnier. Not a whole lot of wind. Sunday looks windy, a little blustery and colder as a cold front comes in. We'll settle for upper 30s. And by the time we get to Monday of next week, as you'll see in the 7-day here, definitely a drop off in temperatures. That'll be the coldest the next several days. Teens in the morning, 20s for highs, and then we slowly recover from there to the 30s for the rest of next week. For that first week in meteorological winter, yes, we start that in December 1st, meteorological winter, with actually some decent weather, but low 30s would be typical for early December, and that is right where we'll be most of next week. In the meantime, today, enjoyed the quiet weather. Just have to survive the gloom. But have a great Wednesday. I'll see you back here tomorrow. I'll be here for Thanksgiving. Have a great day, everybody.